So one question that comes up is, do I need a lawyer or an accountant to help update my minute book? And really the answer is you can have either one. I would lean towards having a legal team update your minute book. Typically a legal team, if they've helped you establish your corporation, they're the one that holds your minute book, likely in a fireproof situation in a filing cabinet or whatever, to make sure that they maintain the document should anything happen. But accountants are really the ones that are directing the lawyers as to what to include inside there. At the same token, you could probably update your own minute book. Everyone has the ability to be able to do it. You can obviously do it. It's definitely advised to work with someone who does this often so that you know that everything that's included is done right. But again, the information that goes into these updates typically comes from the accountants, and the lawyers typically document it and file it in the minute book accordingly. So you can do it on your own. At a minimum, you should be doing that if you're not getting one of the other experts to do it, but I would work with the legal team to make sure that those are up to date.